I'd just do a quick little update here. Obviously you can see it's winter, there's snow. We had a couple warm days. I managed to get this front pretty much done and sided. And I just was rushing to beat the weather, so I didn't have time to set up a camera for a time lapse or anything. But it's turned out pretty good so far. Got that little half roof done, sided, everything's flashed and soffit. You see the little gaps in the miters there. I've got some decorative moldings that are gonna go in those corners that just haven't come yet. They're on order. So yeah, coming along pretty good. But the rest of the siding for the other 3 sides is gonna have to wait till next year. It's my first time ever bending aluminum. Well, most of these are pre-bought fascia, but the door jambs and stuff I had to bend. Made a few mistakes. You can see up there, the flashing's wrinkly. Well, there was only one kind of larger wrinkle, and then when I put on the weather stripping for the garage, it kind of tightened down everything and made a whole bunch of smaller ripples. Oh well, I don't think too many people will notice. So, if anyone's wondering about a 20-foot wide garage, you can fit a truck and a small car over there, but we're not going to. We're just going to use the side for storage and stuff. Anyways, that's it. Have a good Christmas, who's ever watching.